Hello friends, our 10th class second poem, Basket Full of Moonlight. Before starting the poem, I want to ask a few questions. Whom do you like most in your family? Whom do you like most in your family? What do you think about your family? Why do you like your mother? And why do you like your father? I hope you would answer the questions properly. म्हणजे आपल्याला आपल्या कुटुंबामध्ये आपले आईवडील का आवडतात, आपलं कुटुंब का आवडतं, त्यांच्याबद्दल काय वाटतं, आशयाची कविता आहे. बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आय विल रीड द पोएम थ्रू आउटली and you will listen it as well as see in your book. So open your book at page number 18. Now I hope you will listen it carefully and also same times you will read also. O moon, O moon, O moon, give me moonlight. O moon, give me moonlight. Basketful or two basketful, basketful or two basketful, with seeds of moonlight, with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the side of the path, from the city to my village, on the side of the path, I want to show I want to show many small moons of light. I want to show many small moons of light. The whole village go to the city daily to work. The whole village go to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, as my village is quite far, the route is rough and full of snakes and scorpions. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor car plies. Neither bus nor cart plies. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. O moon, give me a basketful of O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. On loan. I want to light the dark route. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. I want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon. I want to sow seeds of moon on the side of the path. On the side of the path. Sunil Sharma. Name of the poet is Sunil Sharma. It means this poet is from India. He has written very fantastic and symbolic poem. You see, the villages which are near to the city. Most of the village people go to the city for work, as there are too many opportunities of work. And you see, there is a lot of difference between cities and villages, city life and village life. Like that, this poem also symbolizes the two ways of life, city life and village life. What is in the city and what is in the village. You see, this poet, this boy, innocently, in the form of a child, the boy expects from the moon. He urges the moon, he requests the moon, he talks to the moon, because you see, little child always like the moon. He calls moon as a mama in India. In India, he calls the moon as a mama, चांदू मामा. हा लहान मुलगा ह्या कवितेमध्ये चंद्राला विनंती करत आहे. काय विनंती करतो ते आपण या कवितेमधून पाहूयात. In the first stanza, what does he say? O moon, give me a moonlight basketful or two basketful with seeds of moonlight. O moon, O kind moon, O moon, give me one or two basketful of moonlight. I want to, with the seeds of moonlight, give me moonlight, one or two basketful of moonlight with the seed of moonlight. कवी किंवा तो लहान मुलगा पहिल्या कडव्यात असं म्हणतो की ए चांदू मामा, ए चंद्रा, ए चांदोबा, तू मला एक किंवा दोन टोपल्या भरून चंद्रप्रकाश दे की ज्याच्यामध्ये चंद्राच्या प्रकाशाच्या बिया असतील. चंद्राच्या प्रकाशाच्या बियासहित मला एक किंवा दोन टोपलीभर चंद्रप्रकाश दे. एक किंवा दोन टोपल्याभर चंद्र दे, लहान 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 छोटे छोटे चंद्र दे, चंद्रप्रकाश दे मला. का बरं? He, in the next stanza, he says, from city to my village, on the side of the path, I want to show many small of light. Because I want to show these seeds of moonlight on the side of the road of my village to the city. Sides of the road from my village to the city, and enlight that road. And I want to enlight that road. As the whole village, it means the village people, all the people from the village go to the city for the work. All the people in the village go to the city for the work. And when they come back, at that time, I want to enlight their path. I want to enlight their path with the help of these small moons on the side of the road that will make the road bright and clearly. So please give me a basketful or two basketful of moonlights on the. It becomes dark on the way back. It becomes dark on its way back, and as my village is quite far. There the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. See, what does the little boy say? Little boy says that as the whole village people go to the city to work, but when they come back, at that time there is complete dark on the road, and the road is very tough, the road is very hard, the road is very full of scorpions and snakes, so it makes very hard to walk on the road for the peoples. कवी किंवा तो लहान मुलगा चंद्राला असं म्हणत आहे की संपूर्ण गाव जसं आमचं शहरामध्ये जातं काम करण्यासाठी, जेव्हा ते परत येतं तेव्हा पूर्णपणे अंधार झालेला असतो. रस्ता हा चालण्यासाठी कठीण आहे. त्या रस्त्यावर साप, विंचू यासारखे विषारी जीवजंतू आहेत, विषारी बाबी आहेत. त्यामुळे चालताना अनेक अडचणींना सामना माझ्या गावकऱ्यांना सहन करावा लागतो, आणि म्हणून मला तू काय दे, 1 किंवा 2 2 अ बास्केटफुल और 2 बास्केटफुल, 1 किंवा 2 बास्केटफुल चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या बिया दे किंवा चंद्राचा प्रकाश दे, की मला तो रस्ता एनलाइट करता येईल, तो रस्ता मला प्रकाशमय करता येईल. कारण की इन द नेक्स्ट व्हॉट डज ही से, नायदर बस नॉर कार्ट फ्लाइज when my father returns home, I am asleep. Neither carts and neither bus nor cart flies. On that road there are no buses, there are no carts, or there are no carriage or anything else. त्या रस्त्यावर बस नाही किंवा टांगे नाहीत किंवा दुसरा कोणत्याही प्रकारचं वाहतुकीचं साधन ये जा करत नाही. इट मीन्स द विलेज पीपल विल हॅव टू कम बॅक. द विलेज पीपल कम बॅक ऑन देअर फूट. सो ऑन दॅट डार्क रोड इट इज नॉट easy for them. As well as on that road his father returns home late in the evening, late in the night, when he was in the sleep. He was in the sleep. In the what does he say? He says that जेव्हा त्याचे वडील ज्या रस्त्यावर घोडागाडी नसलेल्या, कॅरेज नसलेल्या रस्त्यावर जेव्हा त्याचे वडील परत येतात, तेव्हा त्या रस्त्यावर कसल्या प्रकारचं वाहतुकीचं साधन असत नाही, आणि त्या रस्त्यावरून त्याचे वडील उशिरा घरी येतात, रात्री उशिरा घरी येतात. लेट इन द इव्हिनिंग व्हेन ही इज इन द स्लीप. व्हेन ही इज इन द स्लीप. सो he want that his father should come early in the evening home. तो काय म्हणतो की मला माझे वडील उशिरा घरी पोहोचतात जेव्हा मी झोपलेला असतो. मी जेव्हा झोपलेला असतो तेव्हा माझे वडील उशिरा घरी पोहोचतात. and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Furtherly he says that and his father goes early in the morning at dawn when he is in the sleep. When he is in the sleep. त्याचे वडील लवकर घरी कामावर जातात. त्याचे वडील लवकर कामावर जातात जेव्हा तो झोपलेला असतो. इट मीन्स देअर इज कम्प्लीट डार्क ऑन द रोड. इट मीन्स देअर इज कम्प्लीट डार्क ऑन दॅट रोड. व्हॉट डज ही एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम द मून. तो चंद्राकडून काय अपेक्षित करतोय. ही फर्दरली सेज दॅट ओ मून गिव्ह मी अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाइट ऑन लोन. He urges the moon that, O moon, give him, O moon, give me 1 or 2 basketful of moonlight on the loan, not free. म्हणजे तो काय म्हणतो चंद्राला, चंद्रा मला चंदमामा चांदोबा मला 1 किंवा 2 टोपल्या चंद्रप्रकाश दे, कर्ज म्हणून दे, कर्ज म्हणून दे, असं देऊ नको, कर्ज म्हणून दे. आय वॉन्ट टू लाईट द डार्क रोड सो दॅट माय फादर रिटर्न्स अर्ली. आय टू वॉन्ट टू हिअर फेरी टेल्स अँड स्टोरीज फ्रॉम हिम. व्हॉट डज ही एक्सपेक्ट. ही एक्सपेक्ट दॅट हिज फादर शुड कम अर्ली इन द इव्हिनिंग अँड ही वॉन्ट टू हिअर the bedtime stories from him. The bedtime stories from him. As the moon could give him the light, then he will show that light on the sides of road, and then the road will be unlighted, and the father will come back early, and he will hear the bedtime stories from him. Like that. म्हणजे त्या रस्त्यावर जर त्याने चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या बिया पेरल्या तर चंद्र उगतील, तो रस्ता प्रकाशित होईल आणि त्याचे वडील संध्याकाळी लवकर घरी येतील आणि त्याला संध्याकाळच्या गोष्टी सांगतील. त्या गोष्टी ऐकायच्या आहेत. म्हणून तो चंद्राला म्हणतो की मला चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या बिया दे आणि आय वॉन्ट टू सो दीज seeds of small moon on the road side of the sides of the road to enlight the road. अशा प्रकारे कवी म्हणत आहे किंवा तो मुलगा म्हणत आहे की चांदोबा मला तू जर तसं केलंस 1 किंवा 2 टोपले चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या बिया दिल्यास किंवा चंद्रप्रकाश दिलास तर तो मी रस्त्याच्या साईडला पेरीन आणि मग माझे वडील लवकर घरी येऊ शकतील आणि मला कथा सांगतील. अशा प्रकारची इनोसंट अशी भावना या कवितेमध्ये कवीने व्यक्त केलेली आहे. ऑल्दो द पोएट पुट दिस पोएम इन द माउथ ऑफ द चाइल्ड, ही वॉन्ट टू रिव्हील द प्रॉब्लेम्स ऑफ द village life, the problems of the village life as our government, as the native bodies could hardly do for that to develop our roads, to develop the light on the sides of roads, and that could become the city life easy, village life easy for them. That's why he urges to the moon, because nobody could solve the problem without the moon or the sun. So he requests the natural things to solve these problems in the form of moonlight. Okay, thank you. Friends, you might have understood this poem very well. I hope you would check your understanding with the help of following questions. Thank you.